Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're working here on a Ford Focus MK3 third generation. And what we'll be doing here, it should cover the years 2012 to 2018 all the way guys. And if your interior lights do not work, okay, the interior lights inside the car do not work, we'll show you which fuse to check. In the meantime guys, we're going to have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to save you guys as much money as we can for free making those videos, so please subscribe guys, and hopefully we'll save you quite a bit of money in the long run. So as you know, that Ford Focus, it has some fuses under the hood on the right side next to the battery, but this fuse is not located there. Okay, this fuse is actually located inside. You need to open the passenger door now. Okay, right here. And we have our glove box compartment removed, but you do not have to do that. Why we removed it? So I can stick the camera and show you better which fuse it is, otherwise it's almost impossible. Now, you need to open the car door, get in. Now that carpet liner on the bottom, okay, you need to remove that one. So you have two things to squeeze here. Okay, one here, pull down, perfect. Then just gently pull it down and pull forward, or backwards in the car, my bad. Now, we need to locate fuse number 60. And stay with us, we'll show you where we get our replacement parts in the description of the video below. And all the tools that we use as well. If you come, okay, in this row right here, the very left row, okay, this one here, you're going to be looking, you start at fuse number 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Even if you're missing a fuse, you're still going to count that space. So 60 in our case is for the interior lights. All the interior lights, it's a 10 fuse. You have a fuse puller in the front fuse box. However, I'll be just using the pliers here. Okay, and I'll go ahead and remove the fuse. Now I'm going to get another fuse. Okay, that thing is so inexpensive, just buying like 2 fuses at the parts store will pay to buy the whole box, so check it out in the description guys. We need a 10 fuse. Okay, this is a 10 fuse, and we're going to go ahead, okay, and replace it now. So you just need to make sure that, okay, you get it in and push in guys. Okay, you can see like that, and the fuse is in. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Next, what do you need to do? Okay, don't forget to install your carpet liner here. Okay, that cover, just get it in the holes, and then don't forget to push those things in. Okay, just like that. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.